Hey, what's up, everyone? Ever had a wild idea in your head but no idea how to bring it to life? You're not a designer, but you still want to turn that idea into something amazing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a tool that can do exactly that. Turn your ideas into stunning artwork in seconds, and you don't need any design skills. Just type your idea or upload an image, and bam, instant artwork. But here's the crazy part. Stick around to see what happens when you throw something completely bizarre at it. Trust me, you won't believe what Dreamina can do. All right, let's get started. Hit the link in the description to head over to Dreamina's website. Signing up takes just a few seconds, and you'll get free tokens to start creating right away. Sounds good? Let's get creative. Imagine this. You had the wildest dream last night, and now you want to bring it to life in artwork. It's easy with Dreamina's image generator. Just hit generate, type your dream, or upload an image to restyle, and boom, instant artwork. Once you've typed your prompt, choose the model for the best results. For this demo, I'm using the Image 3.0 model for studio quality output. Don't forget to set the resolution to 2K for that crisp, high-quality look. Once you've chosen your model and set the resolution, it's time to adjust the aspect ratio to fit your vision, whether you want square, horizontal, or a custom size. For custom, just set the width and height and then hit generate. Dreamina will create 4 variations for you to choose from. Pick the best one and download it. If not, tweak your prompt or click regenerate. Easy, right? If you're satisfied with the image but need minor adjustments, the Edit on Canvas feature allows you to make those changes directly. Here, you can easily upload an image or add additional text as needed to enhance your design. If you want to change something in your image without affecting the rest, just use the In-Paint feature. Simply describe what you want to fix and hit generate. Need to expand the image? Just adjust the dimensions. If there's something you don't like, you can remove it or use Retouch to clean things up and improve the sharpness. And if you want to remove the background while keeping the object, Dreamina's Remove Background feature makes it super simple. Once you're satisfied with the final result, export your image. Just choose your preferred file type and size, and Dreamina will provide an easy option to download it directly. Now, let's talk about the reference image option, as mentioned earlier. It is good when you want to do something like a style transfer or creating specific designs like posters. Just upload your image and Dreamina will give you smart options to customize it. You can go with the custom option to transfer styles exactly how you want, or pick from others depending on what you want to keep. For example, want to focus on an object like a product or building? Go with Object. If you want to keep someone's face but change other parts, choose Human Face. If you want to keep a character like a cartoon or avatar, pick Character. The Edge option keeps the outline sharp, which is great for stylized looks. Depth means the number of colors in the image, so choosing that keeps your colors bright and smooth. And if you want to keep a certain pose, select Pose. These options help you decide what stays the same and what changes, so your final edit looks just right. Once you've selected your preferred option, the next steps are the same as with the text-to-image process. Just pick your model, resolution, and aspect ratio, then hit generate. Your output will be ready in seconds. Now, if you're looking to get even more creative, Dreamina's video generator and AI avatar generator are currently in beta, but they'll be fully available soon. Keep an eye out for these features. So, if you're ready to bring your wild ideas to life, just hit the link in the description, sign up for Dreamina, and start creating right away. Also, be sure to check out my video, Why CapCut's AI Video Maker is Every Creator's Secret Weapon, where I share some awesome tips to help you make killer videos with AI. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. I'd love to see what you create.